Students, this is lab 2. So we are going to configure man in the middle attack. The first step is to get ready with the Kali and XP. Okay, make sure it pings. Okay, let me ping and show you what IP address it belongs to. Okay, let us see the XP and Kali. Make sure they are pinging. Okay, so okay, check the IP address if config. Okay, 10.0.0.5 Kali XP IP config. Okay, this is the IP address. Okay, now we consider XP as a victim. Okay, the Kali as a attacker. Okay, XP as a victim. Okay, Kali is okay. Kali is an attacker. Okay, so let's ping. Okay, ping 10.0.0.5 5. Yes, it's pink 10.0.0.1. Yes, it pings. Okay, now the first step we need to do is, okay, go back to the material. Okay, check what are the prerequisites. Okay, so what are the prerequisites we need for this? So this is the lab 1.1, 1.1 is required. VirtualBox, Kali and XP. Apache server is already installed. DriftNet is installed. Okay, these are the various package required for man in the middle attack. Okay, and no internet is needed. Okay, just we are going to configure one website, and from the website that we attack. Okay, when the user browse, we capture the images from the victim. Okay, that's the main point we need to understand here. So whatever images our victims will browse, we'll see in the real time. Okay, see them in real time. Okay, so we will be using DriftNet EtherCap to perform this attack between Kali and XP. Okay, students. Right. Let us go to the step two. The first step. From here, we are going to create, okay, website data. Okay. So website, we are going to prepare a website, okay, that we will browse in XP. Okay, we set up the web server in Kali and then browse using XP. Okay, so let us go there. Okay, and follow the steps in the material. Okay, follow the steps in the material. So let's start the step 4 here. Here it is a step 4. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to copy some picture from the from the what you call Kali itself. Okay, and then we just use for our website. Okay, we use for our website. So let us go to the Kali clear. Okay, I just go to CD, same way, CD user, share. Okay, background. Okay, I'm just pressing tab key, I'm not typing anything. Okay, genome. Okay, I just get inside. Okay, and then type list. I have lot of picture inside, all JPG pictures, all JPG pictures. Okay, I copy this picture into var.w. Okay, var/w. Okay, you have to type together. Okay, so I just type. Okay, what you call copy commands. Copy. Okay, copy, okay, then star means, okay, all the pictures dot jpg, okay, jpg slash var slash www, okay. This is the web browser web server folder, okay, where the data index file everything will be there inside. Okay, I just copied, okay, copy only, not move. Okay, you can do this way, or our previous way. Okay, we can say that from the desktop we can go to the computer, okay, and the file system, then what is a user, okay, just to press user, you can say here file system user, okay, and then you can see share, and then you can see the background, okay, just to see you press B, okay, and you can see the background, okay, backgrounds and genomes, okay, the same way, okay, just to copy, okay, for example control A, you can see control A, control C, and then go back to, okay, file system, okay, I copy, and then press var, okay, www, okay, and it's already pasted, okay, and you can paste again, okay, or you can just if you have not done with the command prompt, you can do this way, okay. So at the end you need to have the picture file to browse by XP, okay. We are just going to use in the index file, okay, and then we are going to use them for browsing, okay. So now we are going to create a website, okay, I mean index file, okay. So where we can, you have to create our index file inside the, okay, inside the var www, okay, inside the var www, and here I create a file, okay, create a new document, you can say you can create a new document, but here if it is not possible, okay, we have to do with the, okay, empty document, okay, this is an empty document, click empty document and name as, okay, name as index.html, okay, index.html, that's it, okay, okay, already there, okay, index is already there. So what we have to do, we can say index.html, okay, see there is one file index.html. So what I will do, I will just rename, okay, just to rename into index.1, and then enter, okay. So just rename the new file into index.html, okay. So now my index.html file is ready. So inside, okay, double click, open, okay, it will go to the browser, but we want to open with the help of uh, file, open with leafpad, okay, open with leafpad, okay, just to type the simple command, okay. So for example in the same folder we create HTML, okay, copy, okay, I want around 7, okay, 7 tags, HTML tags, okay, HTML head, okay, and then slash head, okay, and then body, then img, okay, source, okay, image source equal to the image, one of the image name, okay, it can be but the spelling is very important, okay. So wood dot jpg, okay, wood dot jpg, or you can see the spelling from here, okay, what is the exact, see wood dot jpg, okay, or green meadow, any picture name you can specify, okay. or you can say I will take the blinds.jpg. Okay, blinds.jpg. Okay, if the spelling mistake is there, the picture will not work. Okay, you know that. So it's needed, and then closing the body and closing the HTML. Right. So save it. Save. Okay. Then close it. Finish. Okay. What is the next step here? Apache server. Start the Apache server. That is a web server. So go to the command prompt. Okay. Go to the command prompt. Okay. So here the command is, okay. I just exit. I open the new terminal. Okay. So that it will be clear. Okay. Service. Okay. Apache 2 start. Okay, it's done now. Okay, that's it. Okay, the Apache server is started now. Finish. Okay, and then go to the browser, web browser, to check whether the web browser is working or not. Where we'll go to the XP. Okay, start the Internet Explorer. Okay, HTTP. Okay, the IP address of um, the Kali, okay, slash, okay, index, okay, dot html. We see that, we see the picture of that blinds. Okay, so this is the blind, the picture. Okay, we see the picture of blinds, okay, in the XP. So this is the first step we need to do. So whenever the user browse some internet, okay, actually this in this lab we are using Kali as a web server as well as attacking server. Okay, and XP as a victim. Okay, so let's take the note here. Kali as a victim, uh, Kali as an attacker, and web server. Okay, as well. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, Kali, XP as a victim, Kali as an attacker, and web server. Right, right. Second thing, okay, we have done this first two step.